What's up guys, Chill with Rodel here, and we're here in another tutorial on how to make your custom thumbnail in Photoshop. So let's go. First, when you're inside the Photoshop, go to File, then just click New. For me, I'm going to use it on my YouTube thumbnail. So the width that I'm using is 1920 pixel and the height is 1080 pixel. Okay, so I can rename this as thumbnail. Then I can click OK. So once you have this format, all you need to do is to open your picture that you're going to use. So go to File again, then Open. So I will use picture from this one, from Armenia. I took it from Armenia. And one picture from from the PNG file, the Photoshop icon, because we're going to use it in the in Photoshop editing. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is go to the picture that you want to edit. Okay, if you want to resize, because they have the same size, so I don't need for this format already. If you want to check if you have the correct size, you can go back here to the thumbnail. Okay, and the picture, if this is your picture, if you want to check if your picture is on correct dimension, you need to go to Image, then Image Size, then check the width 1920 and the height is 1080, so there's no problem with that. Just click OK. Okay, let's just make example. If your picture is bigger than the said size, you can just use the move tool. Example, if this is the picture which is bigger on the size, you can adjust it by going to the thumbnail that we made. So just drag this picture, then go to the thumbnail. Okay, so example, if this is bigger, if this is a bigger picture, just click the picture here on layer 1. Okay, so we have the background which is the correct dimension. Okay, just click this layer 1, then all you need to do is go to Edit, then Free Transform. Okay, then hold the Shift key. Example, this picture is big. Just hold the Shift key, don't let go unless you are on the correct size of the picture. So like this, looks like bigger, so you just need to adjust the size, but don't let go with the Shift key, like that, so you can adjust the picture on the desired dimension. Okay, then just click check. Then the size is still the same. The size will be 920 1080p, so it's okay. So once the width and the height is on the right pixels or dimension, there's no problem uploading it as a custom thumbnail in YouTube. Next thing to do is to put text. So you need to go here to this horizontal type tool, just click it, then click on the picture. So how to change the color, you need to go here, then select the color you like. For me, I will select this. So it depends on you on what font do you want to use. So maybe we can use the Impact, because Impact is a nice font. Then the size is maybe 300. Okay, then I will type how to make. Alright, so I'll just move this here. So it depends on you on how do you want to position your text. But for me, maybe we'll just make some adjustment later. For me, it's okay. Okay, then click this icon, the check icon. Then now I will just use the picture from the Photoshop, this one. Photoshop, go to Move Tool, click the Move Tool, click the left key and hold it, then go to the picture, then drop it. So I can drop it now, so the icon is there already. And then I can adjust it by, if this is the layer, I can adjust it by pressing edit, then free transform, then just hold the shift key, then hold the corner button if you want to adjust the size of this, like this. Okay, so maybe this one is enough. Then just click the move tool, apply. Okay, so you can move it here. Then next, I want to add more text, so I will just click this horizontal type tool. I will change the font to Gloss and Bloom. Okay, so it depends on you on which font you want to use, but for me, I just downloaded the Gloss and Bloom, so if you want to download, you can download it also. So I just need to type custom thumbnail, then I'll just drag it here. Okay, if you want to select everything, the text that you're doing, just press Ctrl A, then you can select the color you like. So for me, I will just select yellow. Okay, I'll put yellow on that, then click check. So I want this custom thumbnail to be on diagonal position, like slant. Okay, so we will just slant this by clicking this, check, click the custom thumbnail, go to edit, then free transform, then you can slant the text like this, then you can move it. Okay, then click the check. Okay, so I want more design on my text. So for this custom thumbnail, I can just drag it like that, or I can use Ctrl A, then just click this check. Okay, so if you want to select like that, and you can select it also here on the right side, you can read, because you type custom thumbnail, you can read here custom thumbnail. Then you need to add this layer style, just click add layer style, then I will just add bevel emboss. Okay, so it's good. So for the highlight, I selected white, and for the shadow, I selected black. So it looks like this, and you can adjust the depth. You can see. Okay, you can adjust the size. So it depends on you, because this one is a custom made. So everything will be depend on what design you're doing. Then you can soften also. Okay, for me this one is okay, so I will just click OK. If I want to adjust this text on how to make, okay, just click this icon on the right side, the character, then you can adjust the height of the spacing of the text. So everything depends on you on how you will custom made your text. Okay, then you can close this by clicking this double arrow. Okay, then I want to add maybe a stroke for this text, how to make. I'll go to add layer style again, but be sure to click this how to make on this right side. Then I will add layer style, then I will hit stroke, then you will see the stroke already, and you can adjust the size of your stroke. If you can see here on the left, the stroke icon is checked already, so you can adjust the size. Yeah, can you see the effect? So maybe I'll just make it like this one. So you can select which color do you like. It depends on you. So for me, I want the stroke to be on color black. So if you want to change the color, you can change it here, the color. There are lots of color available, so just click the color. So after that, all you need to do is to go to File, then Save As. Then for the Save As type, if you want to go back with your editing, you can save as PSD. Okay. But if you want to change the type, you can select a variety like PNG and JPEG. So I'll just choose JPEG. Then we'll just rename it as custom thumbnail. Okay, so everything is set. JPEG, then custom thumbnail, then it's going to the desktop. Okay, then click save. For the YouTube, the maximum is 2 MB. So right now it's only 911.9, so it's okay. Just click OK. So we'll just set it to maximum large file, then click OK. If you want to check, we can go directly to the desktop, and it's here already, so we'll check. So that's it. So we made 1080p custom thumbnail, and it's good for your YouTube thumbnail. Thank you guys. And that's it, guys. So I hope everyone learned something new on Photoshop. So for those people who haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. And for more future videos, don't forget to comment and share if you want. And if you want to tackle a new topic, don't forget to link or comment it down. Thank you guys. Chill with Del.